Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify taxes settings for multi-state selling step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings option located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on taxes and duties from the settings menu. Choose United States if you are selling in the US. Scroll down to the section labeled state tax. Click on set up next to tax rates. You will see a list of states to configure. Select the first state where you are required to collect taxes. Enter the applicable sales tax rate for that state. If there are additional states, click on Add another rate. Repeat the process for each state you need to configure. Once all states are set up, review your tax rates for accuracy. Next, scroll down to the tax calculations section. Ensure that Calculate Taxes Automatically is enabled. This option allows Shopify to automatically calculate taxes at checkout based on the customer's location. If you have products that are tax exempt, select the relevant products in the Products section. Return to the Taxes and Duties page. Check for any alerts indicating missing tax calculations or states. Once satisfied, click Save to apply all settings. Finally, test the checkout process to ensure that taxes are being applied correctly. Your Shopify tax settings for multi-state selling are now installed and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.